What? What? Because you guys think you're tough? Are you tough? Huh? Snoopy. What? Oh, you tough. What? What? What are you doing? What, killer? What? You tough? You running shit? Only girl in the house. Look at your dude. Look at your dude. Oh, he's on you. Look at Snoopy. Snoopy got a home. Snoopy got a home. Look at you guys. What? What? Don't. What? Oh, shit. What? You don't scare me. You don't scare me. You guys don't scare me. Get back. Get back. Yeah. Better get back. Get back, Snoopy. Get. Better go to your spot. Get in your spot. Get in your spot. Get in your spot. Look, Snoopy don't care. He got a home. He's going an hour and a half away. Where you going? Hey, sneak away, man. Get in the spot. Sit pretty. Hey. Sit pretty. What's he doing? Hey, you. Hey, loose cannon. Hey. Dude. Hey, you. Hey. Get in the spot. Get over there. Tell him, come get me. Come get me. The last four. These are badass great names. Snoopy's the one right there in the front. Somebody already got him. She's a girl and two boys.